Verifying your identity on Revolut can sometimes be challenging, especially if initial attempts fail. Follow these steps to successfully complete the verification process. Step 1. Check your documents. Ensure you have the required documents ready for verification. This typically includes a government-issued ID like a passport or driver's license and a proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. Step 2. Use the app for verification. Open the Revolut app and navigate to the verification section. Follow the prompts to upload your identification documents. Make sure the images are clear and all information is legible. Step 3. Ensure good lighting. When taking photos of your documents, ensure you're in a well-lit area. Avoid shadows and glare on the documents to improve the chances of successful verification. Step 4. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates. Be prepared to provide additional information or documents if requested. By following these steps, you can enhance your chances of successfully verifying your identity on Revolut. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.